एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। यू आर वाचिंग फूड फिटनेस एंड फन और मैं हूं डाइटिशियन मंजू मलिक। आज आपके लिए मैं लेकर आई हूं ब्रीदिंग प्रैक्टिस। तो योगा में किस तरह हम ब्रीदिंग प्रैक्टिस करें टू इंक्रीज द कैपेसिटी ऑफ आवर लंग्स। ब्रीदिंग प्रैक्टिस जो है वो डी स्ट्रेस करने के लिए भी बहुत अच्छी और बहुत सारे और भी बेनिफिट्स हैं जो हमें बताएंगे आज के हमारे योगा एक्सपर्ट अनंत चौधरी जो हमारे साथ हैं। सो आई एम ऑन अ जूम कॉल विद हिम और इट्स ओवर टू यू सर। प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ और बताइए हम क्या करेंगे आज।
Namaste all. My name is Anant. I'm yoga instructor and today I'm gonna tell you some very basic exercise. With all these exercises you can easily enhance capacity of your lungs. We call this breathing practice, pranayama practice, that is directly give a very good strength to your lungs and all the respiratory system. Okay, so first let's prepare yourself for the practice. Be seated in comfortable position. You can sit on your heels or you can sit on the floor also. Just make sure keep yourself completely comfortable. You can use some kind of blocks also if required. Now set your hands in chin mudra where your index fingers are pressing thumb. Set big side of the palms on knees. Eyes closed, face relaxed. Just start noticing your breathing. Inhale, exhale out. Inhale, exhale out. Keep breathing. Go peacefully, slow, deep breathings. Few things you can easily notice here. One is your movement of chest. So as you inhale, it's rising up. As you exhale, it's falling down. Focus on that part. Other thing you can notice the sound of your breathing. Observe your inhalation, exhalation. Make a very good connection with your breath. On your next inhale, one deep Om chant. Inhale. Om. Rub your both palms, generate good heat. Slowly transfer heat to your face, eyes, forehead. With few blinks, open eyes, look into the palms. And release your hands, relax. Let's start practice. First this breathing practices we call normal abdomen breathing. For that, you have to keep your one palm on chest. You can place your right palm on chest and your left palm on navel area on your belly. So you don't have to press your palms, just touch it on your chest and belly to observe the movement of your chest and belly. Now what you're going to do is inhale deep, exhale through mouth, make a pout like this. Inhale, keep breathing, few more rounds. You have to choose, you have to figure out your own pace of breathing. According to your capacity and comfort level, I suggest go slow. So as you inhale, feel the abdomen movement. It's coming out like a balloon. And as you exhale through mouth, it's going in towards the spine. Inhale. Abdomen is coming out like a balloon. Keep it palm there. Exhale. जो इस टाइम में थोड़ा वीक फील कर रहे हैं, अगर आपको कोविड भी है या आप लो फील कर रहे हैं, नॉर्मल लंग्स में कुछ इन्फेक्शन है, दिस इज वेरी इफेक्टिव प्रैक्टिस फॉर दी लंग्स एंड होल रेस्पिरेटरी। बहुत स्लो और डीप ब्रीदिंग करनी है। सो नाउ यू नो द टेक्निक. You can increase the time day by day, like for 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes also you can do. Okay, ready. Just make sure when you are doing the breathing practice, this one or the other practices will go forward now. Make sure keep your mental level completely stable and strong. Feel that you are getting benefit from all these pranayama and all these breathing practice, and you are actually enhancing the capacity of your lungs. Now, those are very energetic and you are fit. If you feel comfortable with some kind of fast flow, then you can go for this breathing. Practice name, pranayama name, Bhastrika Pranayama. Keep your palms here on thighs. Two modifications are there. First one is you have to do inhalation, exhalation fast. Fast breathing, only from nose, mouth closed, and you have to feel the air in your chest. So it will look like inhale, like this. So make sure you are not lifting the shoulders too much. You are actually lifting the chest. Like inhale. If you are feeling this is uncomfortable for me, you can do Bhastrika with low mode also, with low pace. Like inhale, exhale. And if you are feeling yes, I can go a little fast, then you can start fast. So continue at least 20-30 reps. Inhale. Continue. It will open all the blockages of your nerves and lungs. All the blocked channels it will open, and it is helpful to increase the oxygen amount in your blood. Then after one round, you can take little break there. Normal breathing. And one more set you can go. If you are comfortable, then you can go for this version also for more fast flow. Make sure only if you are comfortable, go for this. So here, same breathing pattern. Inhale, exhale, fast. Stretch the arms, inhale. Exhale, come back. Okay? Again, 20 reps. With each inhalation, you are filling yourself with full energy. With each exhalation, you are releasing all the toxins. Observe that. You can take a short break there, release, normal breathe. So that was Bhastrika Pranayama. Now again the next practice is Nadi Shodhan Pranayama or Anulom Vilom Pranayama. This practice can be done by anyone, like child, adults, okay? This is the only one practice what you can do anytime. Like this practice you can do anytime in the sense morning, evening, even in afternoon also. It will increase the again oxygen amount in your blood, plus it will increase the capacity of your lungs, plus it will directly nourish your brain, your mind also. So there is a shloka, there is a sutra in yoga that says Nasa hi Shirudwaram, that means nostrils are the gates of mind. So it will nourish your brain, your mind, at the same time it will enhance the capacity of your lungs. Take your left hand in Chin Mudra, keep it on your thigh, and right hand forward. So after thumb, two fingers you have to bend. So we are going to use thumb and ring finger for the practice. Check again, thumb and ring finger. Now slowly close your right nostril. Inhale deep from left. Close it. Slow exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale through left. Keep breathing like this. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. There is no competition. You have to follow your own breathing pace. Go slow, go deep. Each inhalation, exhalation you have to extend as much as possible for you. As I mentioned earlier, mental state matters a lot. So feel that with each inhalation I am filling myself with full of vital energy. and with each exhalation I am releasing all the stiffness, tightness, toxins from the body. You can keep doing this practice for 1, for 2 or 5, 10 minutes also. It will open all the blockages of nostril first, then it will nourish your brain, it will enhance the capacity of your lungs. When you want to release this practice, at the end, you can exhale through left nostril from where you have started. Good awareness towards breathing, very nice. I can hear the sound. Perfect. Release. Now, the last breathing practice is Brahmari Pranayama. So, as you all know, with physical body, our mind is also playing a very important role in our holistic health. So it's really important to clean your mind and nourish your mind. So the next practice will generate a good vibration in your mind and you will be able to release all the toxins through nostrils. So inhalation, exhalation only from nose. Let's have a look. With these tip of thumbs, you have to close your ears. So don't put thumb inside the ear. We have this structure here. You have to keep tip of thumb here. And then you are going to close your both ears. Rest fingers will come on head. Deep inhale and then exhalation with sound. Inhale. Exhale. You can continue this practice for 5 or 7 rounds. Keep going. Good sound. Right now you are giving a very nice vibration to your brain, to your mind. Release, relax. After this pranayama, you can do 3 times Om chanting. Let's continue with me. Inhale. 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 Release your hands, relax. So that was the breathing pranayama practice. Now, one more thing you can add in your practice, even if you are resting on the back, you just go to one side of the back, take support of the back with your back, and then same breathing practice, the first one, this one, you can do even in lying down position also. So you have to just observe the abdomen movement in and out. With inhalation, it comes out like a balloon, and with exhalation, it goes in towards the spine. Then you can lie down on your abdomen in prawn position. So target is basically with this position, when you do breathing position while lying down on abdomen, it will stimulate your lungs and all the abdomen parts. Okay, so for that you can use pillow as a prop. Last practice. You can keep one pillow front side, so you can take floor support with the help of this, and the other one here. What you're going to do is just lie down on your abdomen here in this position, Make yourself relaxed, comfortable, and just do breathing. Inhale, exhale. Deep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and release. So this you can do according to your comfort level again for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, for half an hour also you can go if you are comfortable. After this practice, to relax your back, just relax yourself in counter pose, child pose, this one, and then release. Okay, so all these practices are helpful to keep yourself healthy and fit during this time. Hope you will like it and you will practice it regularly. Make sure go slow and peaceful. Thank you very much.
नाउ अपार्ट फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइजिंग, ब्रीदिंग एंड ईटिंग हेल्दी, एक्सपर्ट्स एंड डॉक्टर्स ये भी सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि अपनी डाइट में आप कुछ एक्स्ट्रा वाइटामिन एंड मिनरल्स शामिल करें, जैसे कि विटामिन सी, D3 एंड जिंक. नाउ सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जब ये वाइटामिन एंड मिनरल्स आप सेलेक्ट करें कि इनका अब्जॉर्प्शन एंड बायो अवेलेबिलिटी कैसी है. आई पर्सनली एम ट्राइंग दी ओजीवा प्लांट वाइटामिन्स, जो साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन है कि उनका अब्जॉर्प्शन ज़्यादा होता है एज कम्पेयर टू द सिंथेटिक वाइटामिन्स विच आर अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट. दे हैव रिसेंटली लॉन्च्ड अ बंच ऑफ प्लांट बेस्ड वाइटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स जो काफ़ी इफेक्टिव हैं और 100% प्लांट बेस्ड है. चलिए इन्हें देखते हैं. सबसे पहले है ओजीवा बेटर C+. तो C जो होता है विटामिन C, वो आपकी स्किन के लिए, इम्यूनिटी के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है. इसकी अगर मैं बात करूं, इसके अंदर है एक्सट्रैक्ट ऑफ रोजशिप, एल्डरबेरी, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स है इसके अंदर आपकी इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट करने के लिए. साथ ही इसके अंदर जिंक भी है, क्योंकि जिंक जो होता है वो आपकी विटामिन C के एब्जॉर्प्शन को इंक्रीज करता है, उसे इफेक्टिव बनाता है. अगर आप 15 साल से ऊपर के हैं तो आप इसे ले सकते हैं. एंड फॉर बेटर रिजल्ट टेक इट एम्प्टी स्टमक. नेक्स्ट इज ओजीवा बेटर D3K2. नाउ D3 जो होता है वो सनशाइन विटामिन है, सन से मिलता है, लेकिन आजकल हम बाहर ज़्यादा नहीं जा रहे हैं. ऐसे में इसके लो होने के चांसेस हैं. अगर लो हुआ तो आपकी इम्यूनिटी पर, आपके लंग्स पर, आपके रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम पर इसका असर पड़ सकता है. सो विटामिन K2 जो होता है वो आपके जॉइंट्स के लिए, बोन्स के लिए और आपके ब्लड क्लॉट के लिए अच्छा होता है. सो ओजीवा बेटर D3K2 जो होता है उसके अंदर इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं जैसे कि कर्क्यूमाइन, अश्वगंधा, रोजमेरी. ये एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी प्रॉपर्टीज़ रखते हैं, साथ ही आपके स्ट्रेस को रिलीज़ करते हैं और मूड को लिफ्ट करते हैं. अगर आपकी उम्र जो है 18 साल से ऊपर है तो आप इसे ले सकते हैं. विटामिन D को बेस्ट रिजल्ट के लिए लें एक हेल्दी मील के साथ जो फैट में हाई हो. नेक्स्ट इज जिंक. जिंक इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बूस्ट योर इम्यूनिटी. सो ओजीवा ने लॉन्च किया है प्लांट बेस्ड बेटर जिंक प्लस, जिसके अंदर कैमोमाइल है, जिंजर रूट है, ब्लूबेरी है. ये आपकी इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट करते हैं, साथ ही आपके स्किन के लिए भी अच्छे हैं. सो मोस्टली जो वाइटामिन एंड मिनरल सप्लीमेंट मार्केट में आते हैं दे आर फुल ऑफ केमिकल्स और ये लैब में बनते हैं, तो इनके बेनिफिट्स ज़्यादा नहीं होते हैं. लेकिन ओजीवा के जितने प्रोडक्ट हैं वो प्लांट बेस्ड हैं. दे आर एब्सोल्युटली फ्री फ्रॉम एनी केमिकल्स, एनी प्रिजर्वेटिव्स, और इनका अब्जॉर्प्शन का जो रेट है वो डबल है देन ऑल दी अदर सप्लीमेंट्स. तो इन्हें ज़रूर ट्राई कीजिएगा. इनका लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रोवाइड कर दूँगी. Apart from this, exercising, eating healthy, make sure that you wear mask, steam करें आप, और बाहर जाना जितना हो सके अवॉइड करें. एंड गेट योर सेल्फ वैक्सीनेटेड जब भी आपकी टर्न आती है, जब भी आपका बुकिंग होती है. एंड स्टे सेफ. थैंक यू. सो आई होप आप इसे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. इट इज़ वेरी इफेक्टिव एज आई सेड फॉर योर एंटायर बॉडी, फॉर योर ब्रेन, फॉर योर लंग्स. Do practice it. Stay with me. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay active, and stay safe. I'll be back very soon. Until next time, bye bye. Namaste.